Hey sassy friends, it's me Melissa, and I just wanted to jump on real quick to share with you some things going on in the Keller Street world because there's been launches, which we know means new nail sets. There's also some promotions for those of you thinking about joining and also for stylists that are already in the business. So that's why I'm here. I'm going to share with you that now. Okay, so first I want to talk about our newest foundation strip. Now we have a new nail strip that's available online. It's called Helping Hearts. And now through the end of the month, $2 from the sale of each set will benefit heart health awareness. We're raising money to help support Women Heart and the Children's Heart Foundation, and our goal is to donate up to $100,000. Next, we're pretty in pink with Keller Straits Valentine's Day launch. So Keller Street launched 11 new nail sets. 3 of those are actually in the petite size, so those are for those of you with the smaller nail beds. And aren't these just super cute? I know for me, I'm definitely going to stock up on those glitters because you can wear those any time of year, and they are all limited supply. So once they sell out, they will be gone for good. So make sure you jump over and grab them quick. Now, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll show you what each set looks like on real nails too. But before I go there, let's talk about St. Patrick's Day because we also have new shades for St. Patrick's Day. So if you're looking for some luck, these sets might just be for you. Now notice of the 6, 2 of them are also in the petite size. And to see what they look like, again, stick around to the end of the video. All right, now who doesn't like a little bling? Now, last year at conference, Keller Street first announced for stylists only that they had jewelry that the gems are actually made out of nail strip. So in this photo, you can see that it's actually using our most popular nail strip, which is called Tokyo Lights. Now, this jewelry has only been available for stylists, but right now there's a promotion for February for those that are choosing to join. So if you've been thinking about joining, guess what? Your starter kit will now also include this necklace with the ability to earn the matching earrings. Not only that, they've also announced a stylist promotion. So if you join this month, you can receive the necklace, potentially earn the earrings, and then also qualify for the stylist incentive, which is each stylist that bonus qualifies in the months of February, March, and April will receive the full set, the earrings and the necklace. Now, bonus qualify means you have $300 in sales in that month. So if you're interested, go check out my join page and then reach out to me either through Messenger or you can send me an email with any questions that you might have. I'm happy to help you get set up. Okay, so now it's time for the reveal. Here are our Valentine's Day nail sets and our St. Patrick's Day nail sets on real hands. Comment below and let us know which ones are your favorites. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.